Welcome to mathematics class, De Moivre's theorem, part 6. Let us practice some more problems from the exercise. Exercise to B, third question. If 1 omega square, if 1 omega square or cube roots of unity or cube roots or roots of unity, then prove that ఇది ఏకకము ఘనమూలాలైతే దీన్ని నిరూపించండి. Prove that first bit 1 minus omega plus omega square whole to the power 6 plus 1 minus omega square plus omega whole to the power 6 is equal to 128. Now let us prove this one, and this is equal to, in the first bit, 1 minus omega plus omega square whole power 7 plus 1 plus omega minus omega square whole power 7 is also equal to 128. Now let us prove this one. Taking first part, 1 minus omega plus omega square, 1 minus omega square plus omega power 6 LHS. And since 1 plus omega square is equal to 0, one omega square 1 omega square is equal to 1 plus omega square is equal to, so omega, if you bring this one right side, this becomes minus omega. And if you want to 1 plus omega value, 1 plus omega, bring omega square right side, that becomes minus omega square. So rearranging the terms, and substituting. So 1 plus omega square is minus omega. So this becomes minus omega and one more minus omega. First term becomes like this. And 1 plus omega is minus omega square. Minus omega square, already minus omega square is there. So this is equal to minus 2 omega power 6 minus 2 omega square power 6. So this becomes minus 2 power 6 omega power 6 minus 2 power 6 omega power 2 into 6, 12. So minus 2 power 6 minus power 6 becomes positive. So this becomes 2 power 6. 2 power 6 taking common. This is omega power 6 plus omega power 12. This is equal to 2 power 6. This can be written as omega cube whole square. 6, 3 into 2. So this is omega cube 4, 3 into 4, 12. Since omega cube is equal to 1, 1 square is 1, 1 power 4 is also 1. So this is 1 square, this is 1 power 4. So 2 power 6, 1 plus 1. So 1 plus 1 is 2. 2 power 6 into 2. 2 is 2 power 1. And multiplying this 2 power 6 plus 1, that is 2 power 7. That is 128. 2 into 2 into 2. So first one is proved. 128. Now let us prove the second one. 1 minus omega plus omega square over 7. 1 plus omega minus omega square over 7. 1 plus omega square and 1 plus omega. So 1 plus omega square is minus omega and 1 plus omega is minus omega square. ఇంత ముందు రాసినట్టే 1 plus omega square is 0 కాబట్టి ఆ థర్డ్ వన్ మనం రైట్ సైడ్ తీసుకొని పోతే you bring that one right side becomes minus. So 1 plus omega square is 0. From that we will get 1 plus omega square minus omega, 1 plus omega minus omega square. Substituting 1 plus omega square as minus omega, we get minus omega, and already minus omega is there. This is minus omega power 7. So 1 plus omega is minus omega square. Already minus omega square is there, power 7. So minus omega power 7 minus 2 omega square power 7. The mundulaga same as it is, almost similar. This is minus 2 power 7 omega power 7 minus 2 power 7 omega power 2 into 7, 14. Taking minus 2 power 7 common, omega power 7 plus omega power 14. 2 power 7 is 128 and this is minus 128. So omega power 7, omega power 6 into omega. This is omega power 12 into omega square. Since this can be written as 128 omega power 6 omega cube square. So this is omega cube power 4. Since omega cube is 1, so omega cube value is 1 minus 128. This is 1 into omega. So this is 1 into omega square. So 128 omega plus omega square. So since we know that 1 plus omega square is 0. So bringing 1 that side, 1 plus omega square, it becomes minus 1. So this bracket becomes minus 1. So minus 128 and minus 1, minus into minus, plus 128. So this is also proved. Now let us take up one more problem. Same question, second bit. If 1 omega square or cube roots of unity, then prove that a plus b into a omega plus b omega square into a omega square plus b omega is equal to a cube plus b cube. Take left hand side, a plus b, a omega, b omega square, a omega square, b omega. Now multiply these two. A plus b as it is, and multiplying a omega square, a into a square, omega into omega square, omega cube, a omega, b omega. So ab omega square, b omega square, a omega square, ab omega square, omega cube, b omega square, b omega, b into b, b square, omega square into omega, omega cube. So omega cube is 1. We know omega cube value 1. So a plus b. So this is omega square into 1. This is taking ab common. This is omega square plus omega cube is 1. Next, let us write in the next step. Omega ab omega power 4. This is b into a omega square, omega power 4. Omega cube into omega. Omega power 4. Now this one, b square into 1. So a plus b, this is a square plus ab. So this becomes omega square, and omega cube is 1 square. Since omega plus omega square is -1. 1 plus omega square is 0. 1 bringing right side becomes -1. Substituting omega square plus omega -1, a plus b, a square -1 into ab plus b square. So that is a plus b into a square. This becomes minus plus b square. So this is a cube plus b cube. So this is RHS, right hand side. LHS is equal to RHS, hence proved. Algebraic formula a plus b into a square minus ab plus b square is a cube plus b cube. So this is the proof of second bit. And let us go for another very simple multiplication, and substituting omega cube as 1, we'll get a cube plus b cube. So next one, third bit. If 1 omega square or the cube roots of unity, then prove that x square plus 4x plus 7 is equal to 0. X is equal to omega minus omega square minus 2. Now, let us take this one. Given x is equal to omega minus omega square minus 2. Now, bringing minus to this side, you will get x plus 2 omega minus omega square. Now, squaring both sides. Squaring both sides. Squaring both sides. Squaring both sides, we get a square plus b square plus 2ab. A square plus 2ab, x is 2 into x into 2, 2 into 2, 4x. B square, 2 square is 4. Here also a square plus b square, omega square whole square is omega power 4 minus 2ab. 2 omega square becomes omega cube. Since omega cube is 1, so this is x square plus 4x plus 4 omega square, and this can be written as omega cube into omega This is 2 into 1. So this is equal to omega square plus 1 into omega. 1 into omega is omega 2. So omega plus omega square. So 1 plus omega square is 0. Here omega plus omega square, bringing 1 this side, omega plus omega square is minus 1. So this is minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, bringing left side. So this becomes x square plus 4x plus 4 minus 3 becomes plus 3. So minus 3 becomes plus 3. So 4 plus 3, x square plus 4x, 4 plus 3 is 7. So this is the required answer. Hence proof. Very simple. Taking the given condition and minus 2, writing left side, squaring both sides and simplifying, we'll get the answer. Now let us take up one more problem from the exercise. Second problem. So 2B exercise, first bit, second problem. If ABC are angles of a triangle, if ABC are angles of a triangle such that x is equal to cis A, y is equal to cis B, z is equal to cis C, then find value of x, y, z. Then find the value of x, y, z. Given that ABC are angles of a triangle, since ABC are angles of a triangle, ABC త్రిభుజ కోణాలు అయితే, we know that sum of the angles in any triangle is 180. So ఇవి ABC త్రిభుజ కోణాలు అయితే 3 కోణాల మొత్తము 180 degrees or 2 pi radians. Now we have to find x, y, z. X, y, z is equal to cis A into cis B into cis C. This is equal to cis A plus B plus C. We know this property, De Moivre's theorem. So cis A plus B plus C is 180 or cis pi. from the above equation. A plus B plus C is 180 degrees. So expanding this, cos 180 plus I sin 180. Cos pi is -1, sin 180 degrees is 0. Since cos 180 degrees -1, sin 180 degrees is 0. Cos 180 -1, sin 180 is 0. This becomes -1. So therefore, x into y into z value is -1. Let us take up one more problem from the exercise. If x is equal to 6 theta, then find x power 6, 1 by x power 6. So x is equal to cos theta plus 6 theta means cos theta plus I sin theta. So x power 6 cos theta plus I sin theta whole power 6. Applying De Moivre's, the 6 becomes 6 theta. Angle పక్కన వస్తుంది. ఇది sin 6 theta అవుతుంది. Similarly, so 1 by x power 6 becomes the reciprocal to each other కాబట్టి 6 theta minus I sin 6 theta అవుతుంది. So adding adding 1 and 2 రెండు కలిపితే x power 6 plus 1 by x power 6 cos 6 theta plus I sin 6 theta plus cos 6 theta minus I sin 6 theta అవుతుంది. ఇది I sin 6 theta minus I sin 6 theta will get cancelled, and cos 6 theta is 2 cos 6 theta. So therefore, the value of x power 6 and 1 by x power 6 is 2 cos 6 theta. So the short answer type questions, very important and very easy also. Taking the given condition x 6 theta expansion in the cos theta plus I sin theta, raising power 6 both sides, applying De Moivre's theorem, x power 6 is equal to cos 6 theta plus I sin 6 theta. X 1 by x reciprocal, ఇది 1 by x ఏమైందంటే ప్లస్ మైనస్ అవుతుంది. ఇవి రెండు యాడ్ చేస్తే sin I sin theta క్యాన్సిల్ అయిపోతే cos 6 theta cos 6 theta 2 cos 6 theta. So thank you for watching.